Hey, listen, how many of you have seen the Elvis movie? If you hadn't seen it, it was out, on the 24th. We've had 2 days, so if you get a little spoiler here or there, that's your own fault. You should want to see the movie. What's wrong with it? This is a song that Elvis done the day he died. Of course, in the movie, there's a scene of another song. This is one of the 2 songs that Elvis sang the day he died. It's hard to believe that we even know that. It wasn't a concert. This was at his house. So it's a beautiful song. I don't do it very often because the other one is the more popular one. But it's a great song. What I'd like to do for you now is called Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain. Let's hear it for these guys over here. You can see what's next. There's no surprises for you. I know.